Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use BMW rear seat entertainment. First, let's get the system powered on and adjust the screen brightness for optimal viewing. You'll then learn to navigate the main menu using either the intuitive touchscreen or the convenient remote control. We'll also cover how to connect your personal devices, like a smartphone or tablet, using the available USB or HDMI ports for expanded media options. It's quite straightforward. Now, let's dive into your media options. You can easily play movies from a Blu-ray disc inserted into the player or from a USB drive connected to the system. For audio, stream your favorite music wirelessly via Bluetooth or use the auxiliary input for other devices. The system also offers access to pre-installed applications and internet features, providing a wide range of entertainment choices for passengers. Personalizing your rear seat entertainment experience is simple. Each passenger can adjust their individual screen settings, including brightness and contrast, to their liking. You can also set up user profiles to save preferred configurations, making it easy to switch between different users. Don't forget to control the volume and audio output, directing sound to either the wireless headphones or the vehicle's speaker system. Finally, let's explore some advanced features and helpful tips. You can mirror your smartphone screen directly to the display, allowing you to share content effortlessly. The system can also be used for displaying navigation information or accessing various vehicle settings. If you encounter any issues, like connectivity problems, a quick restart often resolves them. Enjoy your enhanced journey with BMW rear seat entertainment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.